got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on.
Hi YouTube, it's Super V and I have Zaya today, and today she's going to be getting her very first wash. Stay tuned for more details. So today the products that I will be using to wash her hair, I'll first be using the Cocoa Cream Sulfate Free Shampoo by Carol's Daughter. And I'll be using the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Moisture Core Enhanced Moisture Butter. So yeah, let's get started on this wash. Are you ready, Z?
No.
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 Electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no feeling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. It's so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes.
Okay guys, so this is how it's looking after I just shampooed it. As you can see, she has some coils at the ends of her twist. And now I'm going to add the conditioner. I'm going to add the conditioner. And again, that's Carol's Daughter's Cocoa Cream Coil Enhanced Moisturized Butter. Moisture Butter for very dry, curly to coily hair.
Mommy, can I get cereal?
So I'm just rubbing it through.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty much going to leave it like this. I'm not going to give her a retwist just yet. I will do that maybe next week. Or I might just do it today. And then upload a picture, and then I'll give her like a retwist like once a month.
Mama, I like those.
But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. You like your dreads? Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Get up. Can I make noodles in the microwave?
This is how it's looking, guys. And you don't rinse this cocoa cream conditioner out. It's a leave-in, so you just leave it in.
I want noodles.
So this is how it is after I put the cocoa cream moisture butter
Yeah,
on.
move.
Shake your hair. Let me see how it looks.
Yeah, I got noodles.
Let me see how it looks.
I got noodles.
Can I see how your hair looks?
No.
And guys, she does have a lot of shrinkage. As you can see, when I pull on it, it's actually longer than what it was. I guess she's excited about this wash. Guys, this is what her hair is looking like. So I decided that I'm going to just give her a retwist. Some of the things you'll need to do the retwist are some small clips like these.
You don't actually think they're going to forgive your crimes.
You'll need some type of gel or jam.
Guys like us, you're going to become model citizens now, got jobs. You're lucky.
You're going to need a comb, of course.
You got a point? No, I got a question.
Why is this thumb down?
And that's pretty much it. About this much jam. I don't know if you guys can see it, but about this much for each twist. So I'm going to apply it to the area where you see the new growth.
1 second fine the next bang isn't how exposure to radiation presents.
Well, it could be. If there was enough
Rub
of
it in a little.
If there was enough of it, they would all be dead.
Just like that. So what I'll do is I make sure that her part is clean. Comb it up towards the twisted area. take my comb
Do you stop?
and I begin to twist.
After you hold the camera?
Octavia, what the hell are you doing?
And that silver clip that I told you guys about, I'll take one
Octavia!
and just put it at the tip of the twist. And there you have it. Okay guys, so what I'm pretty much showing you here is me grabbing her hair, taking the comb, rubbing the gem in between the comb, twisting.
Why are you doing this?
And as you can see, like, I don't take the comb down to the end of the dread. I always make sure that I just stay at the root of the dread, because twisting the end of the dread usually like thins the dread out, and eventually that causes breakage. I do other people hair with dreads right now, and this same thing always happens. If you get the ends twisted, eventually they start to thin out and they eventually pop, and then you'll have to get it added back on. So same method, I'm just rubbing the gem in between the hair, taking my comb, combing it out a little bit, twisting. And when I stop twisting, I let go. I may sometimes palm roll the hair, but not with every dread. I'll put my clip on and I'll start to the next one. Sometimes if my clip moves, I like to take an extra clip and tie it down at the end just to secure it.
That's enough.
So here you see the finished product with the clip still on. Usually I let it sit for about 30 minutes before I take the clips off, just to make sure it dries. Or sometimes you can either sit them underneath the dryer.
Week. Bye, YouTube. I got my hair done. Bye, YouTube. Thank you, subscribe channel. Bye.
My feet, I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Bye, subscribe to the channel. Bye.